Hi, I'm Naomi from Immanuel Tours, and today we're going to be talking about plugs. In your travels, you are going to need to charge your phones or your cameras, and so in order to do so, you're going to find that the walls are equipped with Type-C plugs, which are the European standard plugs, which are different from the ones that you might find in your home country. If you're traveling with us from the US, you will most definitely need a converter, so make sure you pick up a C-type European plug so that you're able to charge all of your devices while you are in Israel. If you happen to forget your converters, don't worry, your hotels usually have extra ones that they are able to rent to you during your stay in Israel. That's it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time.